Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have a crazy cat, and this donut kitty tunnel has been a lifesaver. Let me start off by introducing you to Scooter. Scooter doesn't do weird things. Scooter is weird things. But I love this cat tunnel. I love how light it is. It comes apart with ease. So you can put it away. It's great for small spaces. You can make it just a plain tunnel, or you can make it a donut. It comes apart in two different places. I love that the zippers are sturdy and easy to use. I love that you can crinkle this thing up and it fits anywhere in a small space. And then you just uncrinkle it and it's ready to play. Another thing I love about it is that it looks like a donut. Come on, who doesn't want a giant donut cat tunnel for their cats? This thing just screams fun. It comes in different colors, but we chose pink because it matches our style a little better. It also has a soft and comfy center that you can just take in and out with a few toggles around it. But it is very soft. The cats love napping in it after they wear themselves out playing in the tunnel. I have got to highlight the toy part of this tunnel. It's this little ball that hangs on a string, and my cat has destroyed this thing, and it shows no signs of wear. It's still hanging there even though he is just going bonkers on it, and it doesn't have any fraying or anything despite what he puts it through. I love that. I'm not worried that he's going to tear it off of there. He's put it through so much already, and it still looks great. The durability is so noteworthy of this. I think if this crazy cat can't destroy this, then no cat can destroy it. So if you have a weirdo cat like mine, you need this in your life. But that's just my point of view.